I'm going to break down the key differences between gaming on OLED and LCD at 120Hz, so you can decide which one gives you the ultimate gaming experience. When it comes to gaming, display technology plays a huge role in the overall experience. OLED and LCD are two of the most popular display types on the market, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For gamers seeking the best performance, choosing the right display can make all the difference. The refresh rate and response time of a display are crucial for smooth gameplay. A higher refresh rate, like 120 Hz, provides a more seamless experience. Gamers want to enjoy fast-paced games without lag or motion blur. Both OLED and LCD displays have made significant strides in recent years. The main goal of this comparison is to help you understand how OLED and LCD displays stack up against each other at 120 Hz. This comparison is especially important for gamers who want the best visual quality and performance. In recent years, gaming has become more demanding, and display technology has had to keep up. Let's take a brief look at the history of OLED and LCD. LCD technology has been around for decades, with its earliest forms emerging in the 1960s. It wasn't until the 1990s that LCDs started to appear in computer monitors and TVs. OLED, on the other hand, is a more recent innovation, with the first OLED displays appearing in the early 2000s. The evolution of LCD has led to significant improvements in display quality, with modern LCDs offering high refresh rates, fast response times, and good color accuracy. OLED has also come a long way, with its unique organic material providing excellent color accuracy, contrast ratio, and viewing angles. In terms of gaming, OLED displays have become increasingly popular due to their fast response time and high refresh rate capabilities. LCD displays, however, have also made significant strides, with many modern LCDs offering 120 Hz refresh rates and fast response times. When comparing OLED and LCD displays, there are several key factors to consider. Color accuracy is one of the most important, as it directly affects the visual quality of games. OLED displays are known for their excellent color accuracy, while LCD displays can sometimes struggle to match this level of quality. Response time is another critical factor, as it affects the smoothness of gameplay. OLED displays typically have a faster response time than LCD displays, which can make a noticeable difference in fast-paced games. The refresh rate of a display is also crucial for smooth gameplay. Both OLED and LCD displays can offer high refresh rates, but OLED displays tend to have an edge in this regard. In terms of specific features, OLED displays offer a wider viewing angle, which means that the image remains clear even when viewed from the side. LCD displays, on the other hand, can sometimes suffer from a limited viewing angle. One of the potential drawbacks of OLED displays is the risk of burn-in. This can occur when the same image is displayed on the screen for an extended period, causing permanent damage. However, most modern OLED displays have features to mitigate this risk. LCD displays, on the other hand, can sometimes suffer from motion blur. This can make fast-paced games appear blurry or unclear. However, many modern LCD displays have features to reduce motion blur. To mitigate these challenges, manufacturers have developed several solutions. For example, many OLED displays now have features like pixel shifting and image retention compensation. LCD displays, on the other hand, often use technologies like motion interpolation and black frame insertion. In addition to these technological advancements, there are also user practices that can help minimize the risks associated with each display type. For example, gamers can adjust their display settings to reduce the risk of burn-in on OLED displays. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each display type, gamers can make an informed decision about which one is right for them. In conclusion, the choice between OLED and LCD ultimately comes down to personal preference and gaming needs. Both display types have their own strengths and weaknesses, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in the overall gaming experience. If you're interested in learning more about display technologies, I recommend checking out some videos on display settings and gaming optimization. For those who want to dive deeper, researching the latest advancements in display technology can help you stay up to date on the latest developments. Choosing the right display is just the first step in optimizing your gaming experience. Experimenting with different display settings and gaming configurations can also help you get the most out of your hardware. Lastly, understanding the technical specifications of your display can help you make informed decisions about how to get the best performance out of your gaming setup.